Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change your display mode to light mode on Emo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Emo HD app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings. Then tap on chats. Next you can see the option of display mode. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of light mode. Tap on it. So this is how you can change display mode to light mode on Emo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.